Hello everyone, my name is Harshil and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel WebDev with Harshil. So guys, in the last two videos we have completed the text formatting. What are the text formatting tags are there and how it works. So guys, we will see today some conclusion which is very important whenever you are going to in the interview or something else we have, that is the what are the tags that are invalid in the HTML5. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what is the conclusion we have from the our text formatting? That our total 10 tags are supported in the HTML5. Okay, so for the text formatting only we have 10 tags that are supported in HTML5. Okay, make sure this conclusion is for the text formatting. Last two videos you can see on this I tab one by one. Okay, so that is the our conclusion, that 10 tags are there supported in HTML5. Every tag is not starting with a new line. Okay, you can see here that in the our last videos we have also seen that whenever we are putting the h1 tag inside the mark tag, okay, then it is going to the new line. Otherwise it is only the same line, bold tag, then strong, then I, and then our em is there. Okay, so every tag is not starting with a new line. Okay, like the p tag and h1 tag. Okay, so that is the second point. Now third point is that every tag has a closing tag. Okay, in the starting we have seen that every tag, the syntax for that is the less than, then the tag name, then greater than, and then we have to close like this. Okay, first forward slash, then tag name, and then closing. Okay, so there are some tags that are that should not require to close it. Okay, but here in the our text formatting every tag has a closing tag. Okay, so we have to close it. And the last point is size of every tag is as same as the plain text. Okay, so we have seen that there is the h1 h7 we have applied. Okay, and the size is like a plain text. Okay, no tag we have applied. Okay, but when this size is as same as plain text, when we have applied only and only tag. Okay, we have not applied the nesting, like we have put a h1 tag and inside that we have put the mark tag, then it will not be same as the our plain text. Okay, we will see the example also today. Okay, and if we are doing nesting, okay, like h1 tag and inside that we have put a mark tag, then the size will change accordingly. Okay, so if you have putting the h1 tag, then size will big. Okay, and if you have put a p tag, then size will be small. Okay, and if you have not done the nesting, then the size will be as same as the plain text. Okay, so now let's see what are the tags that are invalid in the HTML5, or we can say that these tags are deprecated in the HTML5. Okay, if we apply this tag, then it is valid. Okay, it will give us the output properly, but we have some CSS styles and we have some other tags, so we are not using this tag. Okay, because the list will be two more and there can be a duplicating, right? Because let's say we have a small let's say we have one tag. Okay, so let's say we have ins tag, right? So let's say we have another tag. Ins tag is underlining the text, and there is another tag called u tag. Okay, so u tag is underlining the text. Okay, so we have two tags which is the underlining the text. Okay, so we can remove one so that we have only one require and unique. Okay, so that is the our deprecated. I hope you have understand that. First one is the big tag. Okay, so we have a small tag, right? In the text formatting part 2 we have seen that. Okay, so big tag is not supported, or we can say that deprecated in the HTML5, because instead of big tag we can use the CSS. Okay, so that is the our big tag. Then we have the TT tag, tally type text. Okay, so teletype text is also invalid, and instead of that we can use the our CSS. Okay, CSS means cascading style sheet. Okay, and this teletype text prints whatever the text we have written in the font family called monospace. Okay, so now let's do the practical. So here I am in my Atom text editor. In the previous video we have seen the HTML formatting of text part 2. Okay, now we will see today what are the invalid. So I will write the here invalid text formatting tags. Okay, now come to the body part, and I will first write this small tag like this, and I will close it also. Now here what I will write here, that this is small tag. Okay, and below that I will write the I tag. So this is I tag. Okay, now save this file and open it in my Chrome browser and refresh. Then you can see this is small tag and this is I tag are printed. Okay, with its value. Okay, means we can say that with its property, like it is in the italic and it should be in small. Okay, so you can see our first property, that conclusion, that every tag will not print in the new line. Okay, you can see small tag and I tag are in the same line. Okay, so that is the thing. Now let's understand what 10 tags we have. Sorry, not 10 tags. 10 tags are in the our, you can see text formatting part 2 and part 1. Okay, that is the not big issue, but we will see what are the tags that are not supported. Okay, so I will write the big. Okay, so I will close it like this, and here what I will write, this is big tag. Okay, now let's save this file, and if I refresh, then you can see the big tag is also like that, because it is the part of a text formatting in the HTML4. Okay, that's why it is coming in the as that line. Okay, means in the single line it is coming, but you can see the size is big also. But instead of this big tag we can use the CSS, that's why it is not applied. Okay, we can say that we should not apply this big tag. Okay, so instead of that we can use the CSS. Okay, using the CSS we can increase or decrease the font size. Okay, I think in the style attribute we have seen that, right? So that is the our big tag, and then we have the TT tag. So I will simply write here TT like this. Now save this. Okay, I have to write something here. Let's say this is TT tag. Save this and refresh here. Then you can see it is coming in the font family monospace. Okay, if I write here a small and style equals to font family will be mono space. Okay, like this. Save it and refresh. Then you can see it is also in monospace and it is also in monospace. Okay, I hope you have know that what is the style attribute, and it is the font family colon monospace. It is the part of a CSS. Okay, we will discuss it later after completing our HTML5 course. Okay, so guys, I hope you have clear idea about all this. Okay, that what is the conclusion and what are the tags that are not supported, or we can say that tags that are deprecated in the HTML5, and we should not use that tags. Okay, so that's all about this video, and if you have any doubts still, then you can ask me in the comment. Guys, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification videos, and like this video and share it with your friends. And thank you for watching. See you in the next time.